Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. Well, actually, to be honest, it's not much to say on this market right now, but we have the traditional to take a look at the crypto markets on Monday. And also, we would like to announce that we have prepared the fundamental analysis for January on the Bitcoin market, and this analysis compares to all others. It stands different, and we dedicated it to topic of the coming halving of the Bitcoin market. So you know that halving should happen somewhere in May, and it's a lot of talkings, some panic sentiment that will be significant impact on the market, and it could trigger some. Who tells it could be just a collapse on the market? Others tells that vice versa, it should be the rally on the market, and we just have tried to understand what particular halving will make impact on, using just common sense, escaping some sophisticated calculation, just using the mining calculator, and just taking some really chill view on this subject. And if you will read this update, this fundamental analysis, you will see that actually it's not as scaring as it's announced in the media. So yes, it will keep some risk, keep some nuances, but in general the halving, it's not the strategy, guys, and it's and at some circumstances, in some conditions on the market, it could make actually no impact at all. So I hope that you will enjoy this, and we're waiting from you some add-ons, some your own opinion. Maybe we have missed something, and if we did, so please add your view on our forum and our blog. So this topic is really interesting. Now let's see what we have on the technical side of the Bitcoin. On the weekly chart, as you can see, it's nothing really has happened. Market is not at the very bad. Trend still stands bullish. Previous week was really nice, so today still stands minor candle, but the previous week looks very good. And currently, at this point, we do not have any reasons to talk about the changing of the tendency, some reversal, something of that sort. So by far, market keeps this bullish upward direction. So probably we can't call it as a reversal in a larger time scale, in a greater view, but it seems that market could continue creeping higher in the nearest time, and here we do not see any signs yet that this upward action is over. That is what we have on the weekly. Hash rate is growing, so if you'll take a look at the hash ribbon indicator, that's also just shows the hash rate. You will see that the hash rate on the weekly chart is rising as well. So it's probably need to update, some time for updating. Well, we will not wait for indicator when we will upload the data. I will just tell you that if you will take a look at the hash rate that we have right now on the market, you will see that it's also is rising. So mining activity is growing. That supports in general overall tendency here. On the daily chart, the retracement and price behavior that we have suggested stands as expected. So recall what we said. Well, once market has hit our predefined target, has broken for the confidence level, we said that we do not expect deep retracement here in the current circumstances. So where smart market already has broken for the major level and exceeded the predefined objective points, we are watching for the next destination point, which stands approximately between the 10 even and 1050. So I use the 10 even because here, guys, actually we have also additional fib level. So currently we are watching for this starting point for the 618 level. But if you will use this reaction point, you will see that we also have 10.1, 10 even. It's another 618 level. So with this upward action, market will tend to area between the 10.100 and 10.50. So somewhere in this level. So that's the next destination point on the daily chart. Currently, as we said, retracement will be small, and indeed it was just minor 30% support on the intraday chart of this upward action. So actually, as you can see, that broken confluence right now works as a support. This is normal. And when you will see this kind of the behavior on the market, especially that this is typical for a stock market, when on the intraday charts and a rally day. So you will see that after the breakout, market shows minor retracement and stands upon the broken level and so on. So that usually repeats a few times for the session. Here on the daily chart we have approximately the same story. Market has broken through the confluence and now lie upon it, use it as the support. This is potentially bullish background, and it supports that bullish sentiment on the market. So that also tells us that it's no reasons yet to suggest that probably market is preparing for reversal or something of that sort. On the intraday chart, guys, this is the targets that we talked about previously. So we actually are monitoring for this ABCD with the 1050 area. This is AB equals CD target. Here is minor target. Also have 127 extension has been hit. So last week, then market turns to this consolidation. Now 1618 will be around 97.50. Next, as we said, will be 110.10 probably area. It's right here. This is the 618 level that we have mentioned on the daily. Most interesting right now is the situation on the hourly chart. Here is market stands in this rectangle consolidation upon the confluence. And, actually we should wait here for a breakout. And when the breakout will happen, the minimum target of this consolidation, as you know, will be the height or width of this rectangle. If you should count it to the upside, you will see that will be approximately 99.60. Well, it coincides with the next extension on the 4-hour time frame chart. But in a few hours in today's session, guys, take a look here. We could get the mirror price action compared to this one. So take a look at what has happened here. Market has shown the wash and rinse, so failure breakout of these lows, grabbing the stops below this and return right back up. That usually leads market back to the opposite border. And take a look at it. Indeed, market hits the opposite border. Here, right now, we have the opposite scenario. Wash and rinse of the top, grabbing the stops, and drop below. Again, right back down inside of the rectangle, with the forming nicely looking bearish engulfing pattern. It suggests some kind of the ABCD pattern down, which should lead market back to these lows. So that's approximately what we will be watching for in today's session. In general, if you would like to possess yourself with the breakout of this rectangle, you could use stop entry order, but be aware of the wash and rinses. So for example, if you would place stop entry right here, your stop will be triggered, but you in this case will be in loss position. So just give market some room to breathe, place it a bit higher than this rectangle for to guarantee that real breakout will let you to step in on the market. The same story for the bears. If you suggest that market should collapse, in this case it would be better to place stop entry order, stop sell below the confluence on the daily. So below these levels, below these lows probably as well. So in this case you will sell as soon as market will break this area to the downside. So that's currently everything. Depends on this consolidation and in what direction it will be broken. But overall context currently still stands bullish.